Hey, hello guys. Today vlog is I'm gonna go to the Mynken Higher Secondary School here in Bhorumbong. I hope all of you guys you may know that school, and I'll go along with my sister. So see you when we reach there. Let me show you the way we're going through this. It's very nice, and I hope you love it. Just let me show you a little bit. Yeah, you can see this is a road. We can go by this road. We go to the Mynken Higher Secondary School. So I hope you what? Oh yeah, she's saying that look, that Mynken Higher Secondary School was so nice. Look at the building. She's saying like that, the school bus and everything. Okay, see you when I reach there. Bye bye.
This is the road going on. Like this, we're going to Mynken Higher Secondary School. And look, there is there's a road in the middle, and this is forest, trees, and this is the bushes. Many and so on. You will have a look. I will show you. Okay, look.
I'm so excited. I'm so excited. I'm only a few minutes left to reach Mynken Higher Secondary School. So I'm so really excited. You know, like I've been 5 years, 6 years in that Mynken, but it's been so long. I never visit that Mynken Higher Secondary School because I'm now studying apart from this and studying in Shillong. So that's the problem. I can. So this beautiful girl is coming along with me. Say hi.
Say hi.
Ah, she's feeling shy too. She's my sister, my favorite sister. She's feeling shy to see, like someone will see her in videos or in the YouTube. Yeah, she's feeling shy, so it's okay, fine. Maybe next time she'll try her best. Because of these trees, I fully in love with nature. I love the external things. I hope you wanna see me. Here I am. I'm wearing mask because I'm not feeling well. That's why you hear my voice also. It's not clearly because I'm not feeling well. That's why. So it's okay. Pray for me, okay? Love you. Here we go. Now I'm here at Mynken Higher Secondary School. And see, there's so many other people behind me. That's why I'm talking slowly, so that no one can hear me. Yeah. Look, large compound, if I'm not mistaken. Hey, new color building. This looks so nice. Look at Mynken Higher Secondary School. School bus. School compound is very big, very large, and very nice. Now I'm gonna leave here from Mynken Higher Secondary School. Okay, see you. Bye bye. I hope you enjoy. Have a good day.